It's day 2 of our transit of the Panama Canal. In the previous episode, we navigated through the first set of lifts in the Gatun Lock. We then tied up to a massive mooring in Lago Gatun and woke up to a stunning scenery all around us. Follow along as It's the Truth makes her way across the Isthmus of Panama and down 2 more locks as she begins her journey in the Pacific Ocean. Good morning. It's day 2. It's about 6 a.m. Waking up to some howler monkeys in the distance and lots of ships around us. But yeah, looking forward to finishing this experience. Got a good night's rest last night. Definitely slept well. But yeah, looking forward to some coffee and going to the other side. No, and there's somebody else waking up.
Morning.
Oh man, so good. So pretty out here for sure. They're so loud.
Liz, how do you feel?
How do I feel?
Where are we?
We are in Lago Gatun.
Lago. I think what you did there.
No, just past the first lock. But there's 2 more locks to go and 3 more lifts. Or no, I guess we're not lifting, we're going down. So depressions.
Yeah.
Drops, thank you. But yeah, heading off.
Awake.
Just waiting for the we're waiting for the advisors to step on board right now. They say he will call, but he didn't call yesterday, so
He just showed up.
so we'll see.
Right about the right time though, right?
Yeah, he came on the right time, I think so. So he didn't really give me a confirmation of a time this morning, so he said about 7. So yeah, just gotta clean up down below, which I will do since I did nothing yesterday.
Oh no, I got the dishes.
Oh, whoa. I'm just gonna say you did a lot.
Oh, Jay, could you repeat that?
I'm just gonna say you did a lot.
She did a lot.
Being the captain, you don't do much.
Yeah.
You just
Drove
steer
the boat.
She's bullshitting you.
Hey, that's language.
But anyway, what was I saying? So yes, we're waiting for
Clean
the
up
advisor to
downstairs.
come on board.
You didn't do anything. Is where we left
Oh
off.
yeah.
We took
We just gotta do a
umbrage.
selfie on the buoy and
selfie on the buoy.
play with the. And then we got a long way through the Gatun Lake still to go. It takes a couple hours, and then I can't remember, but it takes a while. So got some motoring to do before
We
get
got some footage to download.
Yes, we got some footage to download. We gotta empty our SD cards out because we filled them up yesterday. It's up. Oh, look, there's a rainbow behind you guys.
Oh yes.
Oh, sweet.
That's a pretty rainbow.
That's a really pretty rainbow.
That's good luck, right? We're underneath the
I
rainbow.
think so. I mean, it's right over there. Could we get some gold, please?
It's definitely good to have lots of help while crossing the canal. We got Michelle cooking some breakfast up. Chopping some onions. We got the other videographer over here dumping all the stuff off the computer that we needed to dump from yesterday. We got
Yeah,
extra
they're great
breakfast.
there too. Actually, Japan looks really good at soccer this year too. Such a good player.
Such a handsome driver.
But the U.S. has so many.
Definitely not every day when you cross, because it can be so big to a ship. Normally when we're at sea, you try and avoid these massive ships, but here we get to overtake them. Yeah, the advisor called him and called the pilot and said, hey, we're overtaking on your starboard side. So, but I don't know if I want to be in front of him. He's pretty big. Alright, so we're just a little bit over halfway. Brewy's taking the helm for a little bit so I can relax, walk around, move my legs. Been standing behind the helm the whole time. But yeah, just nice to relax and take in the scenery around us. And watch these massive ships behind me come along. But constantly reminded how lucky I am to be able to do this and have experiences like this. I can't believe I'm taking this boat I bought 2 years ago, or almost 2 years ago, across the canal. It wasn't in my plans originally. I didn't really have any plans. My only plan was to make it down to Guatemala, and that was, and I mean, the best thing about sailing is you can't make plans, right? But yeah, never would have thought I would be crossing the canal right now. Going into the Pacific Ocean and so much more to explore on the other side. Just constantly reminded how lucky I am to be able to do this and to live this lifestyle. It's pretty amazing. Transiting through the center of Panama on a sailboat is actually the most relaxing part of going through the canal. Never mind that there are constantly massive cargo ships overtaking you or passing you on your port side going the opposite direction. But even though it may be relaxing, there is a lot of time to take in what it took to make this transit available to the world. For one fact, it took more than 60 million pounds of dynamite to excavate and construct the canal. Sadly, over the span of 30 years, it took the lives of 20,000 French and 6,000 Americans, mainly due to yellow fever and malaria. Construction crews quite literally had to move mountains in a jungle infested with snakes. One laborer recalled that the working conditions in those days were so horrible that it would stagger your imagination. Death was their constant companion. They said they shall never forget the trainloads of dead men being carted away daily, as if they were just lumber. How you feeling, Jay?
I'm feeling great.
Yeah.
I couldn't be better, actually.
Getting close.
SD cards are almost empty.
Yeah.
The view is beautiful.
Working on the computer all day?
Yeah.
Trying to get the video for everybody?
Little bit.
Woo! Getting closer though.
What a marvel of human.
Right?
I
Like
mean,
how-
absolutely. The number of, the amount of blood, sweat, and tears, and lives, and things that went into this are just it's awesome.
Inspiring. Like it's
Inspiring,
like
yes.
yeah. It's amazing. Some local canal traffic. Got the dredgers out there at work, keeping the canal clean. It's a little bit of road blockage we got to go around. Dredging, or removing the silt and sediment on the bottom of the river, is a daily activity in the Panama Canal to ensure the waterway's depth and safe passage of ships through the canal.
Having slides and stuff. I just said that. Hey, I read a lot of maps on walls,
at marinas, and this I learned that this is called Gold Hill. And yeah, there were a lot of landslides, and as you can see, did you see it? It's all terraced up, and I don't know.
And so probably,
Well, maybe that's conjecture on my part, but I imagine when it was built, this was probably a pretty dangerous place.
for sure.
Really flat. They put up like a grid of wire, and then they spray concrete against it.
Oh, that's what's created that stucco-like stuff. Huh?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. It looks just like that. You can see like in the second layer where it's kind of fallen away, where it's sort of peeled away.
Again. Ah, that's a really good pool.
Because it's like earth.
I see
it's
it.
earth
Yeah,
behind it.
It looks like they've done it 3 layers up too.
Well, they've done it
Well, it looks like
everywhere.
a cake.
They've done the whole the whole thing. Yeah, and you know what's happened is the cake the icing has melted. And it's fallen off, and it's pulled some cake off with it.
Yeah. The birds were hungry. They wanted a piece of cake.
Yeah, the birds. It's the birds' fault. Not
Old Gold Hill.
How you feel, baby?
feel good. A little hot, but other than that, it's good.
Getting close, huh?
We're almost there. Probably another hour.
Yep.
We'll get to the next set of locks, and actually it's a single lock we're going to be going to first, then a double after that.
Yep.
We're almost there.
Getting close.
Well, when you're trying to come off, and your transit's going to kick you.
Yeah.
So, be careful. Put yourself in the
What did you say?
To wait for the other passenger boat.
We are?
Yeah.
Yeah.
2 knots.
Yeah,
Forward.
I'm going 1.5 right now. Yeah.
Yeah. No, ahora que yo
Yeah,
veo
yeah,
alongside him.
The tugboat?
A passenger boat.
A passenger boat. Sorry.
Okay? Name Twitter 2.
Okay.
You can talk to them.
So you get to
But,
we're talking about boats.
but meanwhile, that area,
Yeah.
we have to tie up
Okay.
and wait for the
Gotcha. Okay.
Okay, so we're going to tie side by side.
We're good. That was easier than I thought. Okay.
I broke this.
All right, now the current's taking me. Should I slow down? Neutral?
Leave it. We are going to the other side.
We're going to the other side.
Yeah.
You're not doing anything on this side.
Leave it.
You have no job, Jay.
Well,
Okay, here we go.
Looks like he's gonna hang somebody with that thing.
great. We got cases and cases.
If they have any wine, beer, so come on here and see what else.
Vamos a tirar un poquito más adelante.
So look behind. Look how the big vessel is coming in and look at the cable.
Pull it up. Grab the slack.
Don't worry. Cool.
Where you going?
Going forward. Slide the line to Chris.
So you want to have a
Oh shit!
Yeah, go.
mixing time.
We might have to get.
Check the boat. Check the boat.
The captain could not stop that vessel. You look like those in
Yeah, that's right. Just roll the money up before you throw it into our dinghy, and we'll give you a little song if you'd like. Or you gotta throw the money first.
I'm down with that.
Yeah. So all the booze? You guys ran out of beer?
Where's my bag?
That seems crazy. a lot of effort for me.
O sea, lo que pasa es que no, te mira así todo y ahora que me viste así.
Longest line ever.
Okay.
Good lady. Captain. You can find her on It's the Truth Sailing on YouTube. It's the Truth, RT_S, The Truth.
Hi guys.
No, seriously, check her out.
Check her out.
I'm sure she's got Instagram too.
Okay, Chris, pull. Pull. Or. Hey, everybody's watching you.
I know they can't take their eyes off me.
Okay. Al principio créeme que... ¿Tú no me lo dices? Vale. Está ocupado. Estoy ocupado, sí, estoy viendo gente que no estoy viendo la cara. No estoy
Bueno, te diría bastante. Hay unos pelados de color, que tocan con comunidad.
No, porque trabajo con ellos bastante, así que...
He doesn't like people, but he's
I heard Alaska, where in Alaska?
Mules from one side?
Yep.
I'm done.
Yeah, we're out of a friggin' job, for God's sakes.
Oh, darn.
I quit.
You've already been fired. You know what? This would be great. We just went through
Canal before.
Oh, you need to be on YouTube? Oh! It's my new favorite thing. It's a bottle of ice. It's very good. Thank you so much.
That's good, that's good. This is my boring job. Okay? This is a boring job. They stop in all the countries and then go to Hawaii and then go back to Canada and Alaska.
I need. Okay. Slide the line. Pull. Okay. Till next time. Y'all be safe. You're going with other kids. We are going alone. No. Fingers on the left. You see, away from this guy.
Thanks, bro. Thanks. No worries. We could have had a shtick, and like we could just be like a busking crew.
Yeah, I wonder if we could have gotten them to throw us money.
Hey, I said that.
You want rocking it?
What?
Huh?
Yeah.
With the girl?
Yeah.
We like menudo, Beatles, whatever.
Menudo is your first go-to? Menudo. That's what you go to?
Beatles, menudo, whatever.
Beatles,
Bad Bunny.
menudo.
Bad Bunny.
Okay, well that's contemporary, but Beatles? Menudo? Hey, what are we talking about?
What?
Menudo?
It's great. It's great.
Menudo?
It's great. Okay.
Para la popa, ¿ok? Vale. Hey, estoy creyendo en ti. So, ¿qué pasó, loco? I told you to go more that way. Hey, estoy creyendo en ti, hombre. Estoy creyendo en ti. Ok, viene la otra. Gotta get the ball to us. I think we got a rookie ball thrower. No, we're really far around trying to. Get it! Come on! Viene! El tercero, viene! No! Touchdown! Watch out, Miguel. Here you go. Hey, stop! No puede fallar. No puede fallar. Oye. Hey, adelante, aquí. Es que están los paneles. Aguanta. ¿Qué es esto? Este es más de pro. So, hey, ahora sí. Está bien, vamos. Espera, en la prueba, espera. No, este es panel. I told, I used to play baseball.
Yeah.
Just a little.
A little bit more that way.
Yeah,
Okay.
just a little.
Yep. Run hard.
Still.
Slack on this line or you
Pull the line. Pull the line. Secure.
Thank you. Only 6 mules, wow. So that sucker only has 12 lines on it to move it like that. It's crazy. Crazy, awesome.
I'm exhausted.
Watch
So.
out, there you go. It's our last one, eh? I did it today like this. And then it's going to sit. Oh, fuck yeah. Pacific, Pacific, Pacific. No one ever picks up on my chants, Michelle. Trying hard, doing an okay job.
Pacific, Pacific, Pacific.
Thank you, Michelle. Solidarity.
Want to sit closer?
What?
Want to sit closer?
Okay.
How close can they get?
I don't want to.
Like here? Like.
Yeah. Underneath. I'd rather not have my boat under one of those anchors.
Far.
Well, you wouldn't go anywhere if they dropped it.
I would just go to the bottom. Yeah.
Why they want to drop the anchor? Why?
No, exactly. Is that the Pacific breeze coming in? That's good.
In the moment that we enter the Pacific, we have to celebrate. Okay?
Once we're out of the lock.
Yeah. Yeah. Out of the lock. Yeah. Like the line. Yep. Bring by the line. Hey, gracias, muchachos. Para la próxima, para la próxima.
Woohoo! Go forward. Alright. How do you feel? We're in the Pacific, guys.
I feel pretty awesome.
Woohoo! What's up, Pacific? Woo! We made it!
Thank you, Roberto.
We're out of here. That's the Pacific.
Bye-bye.
Pacific! Woo! We made it! Hey, it's the Pacific!
Pacific. Good job, everybody. Well done, Liz. Well done, Liz. Good job.
Good job.
Yeah.
Here we are, finally going under the Bridge of the Americas and saying hello to the Pacific Ocean. It feels pretty amazing to have completed this experience, but now we have a whole new ocean to set sail in. I can't wait for the adventures that are to come. Until next time, cheers!